Okay, so you just got the idea of seeders. Now it's time to have a look on the factories, right? Basically, factories could help us to generate, random using the faker class of Laravel, which could help us to generate fake data, thousands of fake data, right? How we can just use it? Okay, simply, we just need to go to our factories and then seeds. Okay, the seed is already here and the run method is empty now, so we just go to factories and then user factory is already here. Basically we will use this. Okay, so if I just copy this from here and then paste it below, and this time I'll say the post class, and then in our post, basically our post model contains the title and then the body, and if we want to generate faker sentence, 10 sentences for our title, and then faker 10 sentence, I think 50 or 60 sentences for our body. Okay, that's it, right? Close this, and if you just go back to our posts seeder, and then we'll use the factory here. Make sure you're using the faker factory here. Okay, and then what we have to say, basically we want to say the app, right? And yeah, the post class, and then we want to generate basically 550 data, 500, 5000, how much you want, it will generate, right? And then we want to create the data, and each of them could be inside of this closure, right? That's it. And then we can simply say post save, right? That's it. Okay, so if you just go back to our terminal and then say php artisan db seed, there it is, post table seeder is being running. So this is our database. So if we just go and then refresh this, there it is. It basically generates the ID is starting from 56 because we already test some data with that, and it generates 50 data for us, right? And yeah, so that's it, and this is the factories we have used in migrations. And once again, congratulations, you just completed the basics of Laravel framework, right? And from our next section we might start working on our project, right? We might create some minor projects, and we will be move on our e-commerce project. And this is the basics. Basically, in our project we'll not just talk about the basic stuff, we will directly start working on our projects. Okay, so once again, congratulations, and I'll see you in our next sections.